A map is a representation of a place. There are many different types of maps that have different uses. For example, a map that shows the population density of the United States, a treasure map, a map that gives you directions to your friend's house, and a map of your town. Well, just why do we use maps? To help us get places, to show us where places are located, and so much more. Since a map is a two-dimensional representation of a three-dimensional world, it isn't perfect, and accommodations must be made for distortions. Now to a few basic components of maps. Most maps have a compass or rose, which shows which direction the map is oriented, north, south, east, or west. Most maps are oriented so that north is up. Another major component of maps is longitude and latitude. This little song will help us figure it out.
Do you know what longitude, latitude, longitude? Do you know what longitude, latitude mean? Longitude, latitude, longitude, latitude. Yes, I know what longitude, latitude mean. Latitude is the angular distance measured in degrees. It tells how far from the equator any place happens to be. North or south from the equator, wherever a place may be. Latitude gives the angular distance scientifically.
Longitude is the angular distance measured in degrees. It tells how far from Greenwich, England, any place happens to be. East or west from Greenwich, England, wherever a place may be. Longitude gives the angular distance scientifically.
Do you know what longitude, latitude, longitude? Do you know what longitude, latitude mean? Longitude,
Latitude,
longitude,
latitude.
yes, we know what longitude, latitude mean.